guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Edward and my CID is EDSY-S1P5. And today in this video, we're gonna introduce you guys 3 online ways to generate your free cash accounts. And the first one is to generate your address on sign.cash. So this is the website where we're gonna generate our address, public key, and private key. Um, they have a language bar. They only have like Chinese here. So, but anyhow, we're gonna like introduce you guys like step by step. So this one is generate your address, and this is to input your password. So this password could be anything. Could be like a random number, random letters, or like a mix up. But I suggest you guys to put like as uncomplicated as you can, and please like remember it. Okay, and here we can try to put like the first line of the keyboard and to click generate. Then you will have a private key, address, and public key. And of course, the most important is your private key because technically you can generate your address and public key from this. So please save your private key safely and privately. And here we provide you guys one of the most important tools, the crypto signer. You can scan this QR and download in your Android device because for right now it only supports Android 7.0 system devices. Okay, and in the next video we're gonna introduce more about how to use crypto signer to cooperate with this website. Okay, and the second way to generate your FCH account online is to convert your address from your old Bitcoin account or Bcash account. Because technically the framework of the firmware infrastructure of freecash is updated from Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. It's not a fork project. It has its own Genesis block and it started from zero. But I mean everything we is updated from Bitcoin. So here, and this one is the address converter, and you can just put your like here, the free cash, the Bitcoin Cash address. You can just put here. I'll just put some random words, and this is your target address, which will be free cash, and then here you will get a new address with the same private key with your old account. Okay. Um, there's the third way to generate an account through an online wallet from freecash.vip, which is this website, freecash.vip. The good thing about this website is it's easy and it has everything. It has like the other functions as well, like CID, which I mentioned before, which is crypto identity, and you can also provide your contribution through this website. We call it community governance contribution, and you can get awarded from the governance fund. And how you do it is to click on the web wallet, and this is registered. But for some reason, they only support like QQ email now because you have to get a code from this mail to register your account. And you can, if you want, yeah, just look up QQ mail, and here you can register mail.qq.com, register another email, and you can put it here, get a code, put your password, confirm your password, then you get registered. And once you get registered, you can get a new account from the web wallet. All right, so this is about the 3 ways to generate your free cash accounts online. This is not the safest way because once it's connected to the internet, there will be a chance to get hacked. But it will be comparatively easier way for starter or learners to have your own free cash account to start the new crypto world. Okay, so thank you for watching my video and please remember to subscribe it and we're gonna have a new videos very soon. Thank you guys.